good, YouTube? It's your girl Dunks and I am back again with another freaking video. I know you guys been waiting forever. It's been like a whole year, but your girl is back. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I made this unit. I don't know, some people say unit. How I made this wig. This isn't my first time making a wig. Your girl's not a professional. I kind of just learned off of YouTube how you all do. Before I actually get into this video, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Like, I know there's like a lot of y'all that watch my videos but are not subscribed. It's real easy. Like, do you want a video on how to learn how to subscribe to somebody? Because I'll make you one if you just don't know. Let me know if you like this, if you want me to do something else. I'm trying to, like, 2019 stay out of doing so much face makeup, so I'm just trying stuff new. Alright guys, welcome back. This is the head that I bought from my beauty supply store for about $24. It's a 22-inch, I believe, circumference. This is the Kima Master Hair. I got it in 16, 18, and 14 with the 1B30. It's actually really soft, really crazy straight. This is also the lace closure. It's a 5-inch closure, also in just 1B, which is 18 inches. These are the things you're gonna need: spandex, cap, duck lips, needle, and thread, of course. I put the spandex cap on my head, and as you can see, like, it's a little big. Like, my cap is way bigger than the head. They have them that you can customize them, but like I said, I got this at the beauty supply store. I got those little things sticking out, those pins, also from the beauty supply store. This is the closure that I'm going to showing you with the 5 inches. You're just going to measure that onto your head and then stick it with the duck lips. You're going to want to do that on all 4 sides. Alright, and then once you do that, I kind of just put it in this like messy bun, and then I held it together with a duck lip. Actually ended up, because the hair is so soft, it's so straight, I ended up actually braiding it down. But this is how you sew it in. So you get your needle and thread and you kind of thread it in. You're going to go through the spandex, and I'm just giving y'all a better look here. You're going to try to go through the spandex and into the net from the lace. And then I wrap it twice, but then I learned that it just fell out. So what I actually ended up doing is going in between the thread, and I'll actually show you in another part of the video. But you do that, and I like to go under with which is how you go underneath the spandex and the lace with my needle and thread for my frontal and or closure. But like when I'm sewing in, and you guys will see, I like to go over. So I go under for my closures and frontals, and then I just do that down the side. So I went down the side of the closure, the other side of the closure, and then the back. What I also found out, guys, was that while doing this, I kind of pierced my head like my mannequin head. So in the next clip, like you'll see I have like plastic and things like that on my mannequin head. So then once I was done doing the frontal, I kind of went into the back. Now this, like I said in the beginning, I got the sizes 14, 16, and 18. Didn't realize that my closure was an 18. So what I did was actually put 14 in the back, then 16, and then 18. So right now you see me measuring. Basically what I did was measure it ear to ear. Look at my eyelash falling off. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just noticed it, but I measured ear to ear. Then I kind of backtracked just to make sure that it was right. I'm going to be doing the fold over method, where you just take the hair from one side and then fold it over to the other instead of cutting it, so that it limits the shedding. And then you kind of, my shoulder wasn't in the way, you T-pin it in. And because I had so much plastic and cardboard, it was so hard for me to pierce that in. But this is the part that I'm talking about, where I said I went in between the thread so that it would make the knot a little better. When you do this, like, your hair is gonna get stuck. Sometimes just pull it out. But I went under, and this is when I realized that I actually liked going over. So in the rest of the video, like, you'll see me going over. I also make my thread super long so I don't have to keep going back and threading. Some people have multiple needles and multiple threads, like, already pre-done. So this is me doing the fold over method that you're about to see. So I just put in the bottom, and now I'm taking the hair from the other side. Whenever I grab it, there we go. Okay, I'm taking the hair from the other side, folding it over, and then piercing it onto, like, holding it in on the other side, still going ear to ear. And then since the thread is already kind of held in there, I didn't cut the thread each time, you'll see me kind of pierce it into it. See how my needle is going over the weft? That's what I did. And then you just pull it all the way through. And like I said, the hair was gonna get stuck, because she gets stuck a lot, but it's okay. So now I wanted to show you guys, like, what happens if you run out. So what you do is just cut it, the thread. I like to do is double, triple sometimes, just knot it. So, you know, the whole tying your shoe thing where you cross over bunny ear, pull through, like that kind of knotting. I did it about probably 2 or 3 times just to make sure it was secure. So this is me just knotting it. I did that one too. I just made sure that I, like, didn't have any holes or anything. Pulled it even tighter. And then you just take your scissors and cut it close. Now we're at the top of the head. So as you can see, I went in the U-shaped motion where you just keep going up and up and U and U and U until you get to the very top. At the very top, you want to get as close to the lace as possible. So at this point, I'm already using the 18, and I only used one bundle of the 18. I didn't even need the second one, so it literally is one pack does it all. So by now I have went all the way around, and I am going to take the braid out that I had holding it, and look how straight the hair still is, even though I had it braided the entire time I was doing this. Like, that hair is so straight. But as you can see, it all looks one length because the 14, 16, 18 method that I did. So at this moment, I'm just kind of combing it out. It looks kind of raggedy on this mannequin head like this. Looking for all my T-pins to take out, of course. And then I take it off my mannequin head, and I kind of got it caught in, because I don't know why, but I pierced a little downward. Not like on my head, but on the mannequin I did. So had to pull apart the plastic. This is just showing you guys, like, how, like, crazy movement it has. I love that the color's in the back. Look at it, like, ugh. So soft. This is the next morning. I had braid my little dookie braids down, and I'm just showing you guys that basically what I did was take the inside from where I did the closure and cut out that piece of material from the cap. That way you wouldn't see the cap through the closure. I'm just gonna put it on my head. Like I said, these are some dookie braids, so they're not like super flat. Flip it over, pull it forward. And I kind of fixed it in the mirror later on, as you guys saw at the beginning. But yeah, this was so much fun. Let me know if you guys like this, if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.